So given the following exponential function, identify whether the change represents a growth or a decay. Determine the percentage rate of increase or decrease. See, the number that is given over here is 0.534. As this number, mm, let me turn on the sharing, writing. As this number is actually less than 1, so that means what is happening over here is a decay. Now, they are saying, is it representing a growth or a decay? So now we know it is less than 1, so it is a decay. Determine the percentage or rate of increase or decrease. So over here, because it is a decay, so it will be a decrease. And the formula for that is y is equals to a times 1 minus r raised to power x. So that is our formula for finding out the percentage decrease. Now over here, the r is something that is going to tell us what is the percentage in decrease. Over here, what do you think when we are making the comparison? How can we find out r with the original equation if we make the comparison?
We subtract the thing that is left over from 1, we can get r.
Yes, because 1 minus r is nothing but 0.534. So
Mhm.
r is 1 minus 0.534. And how much is that going to be?
Um, that's gonna be 6. Wait, yeah, that's gonna be 7? No, 6,
Hmm.
and then that's gonna be 4.
Perfect. So this is giving us the rate of decay or the percentage decrease. That's how we have to find. Any question in this one?
No. And how do I know it's decay?
Mm. It's a decay because as we know that over here, the number is what? The number is less than 1. Now, would you like to do one for the increase?
Yeah.
Okay, let me take out one question for the increment. Bring it on my screen. Oh, the screen got smaller. Just give me a minute here. Is it visible?
Mm.
Hmm. So over here, as we can see, that 1.325 is actually more than 1.
Mm-hmm.
1.325 is more than 1. 1. It's more than 1. That means what's happening over here is a growth.
Okay. And then
Similarly,
the percentage would just be 3.25.
yeah, over here the formula for the growth. So the formula that we are in the previous one, we used a 1 minus r. Over here, it's going to be 1 plus r. So y is equals to a times 1 plus r raised to power x. So when we do the comparison, the a is 760, r 1 plus r is 1.325. So what is r going to be?
R is going to be 0.325.
0.325. Oh wait, yeah, 0.325. Now percentage. What is the percentage going to be?
Um, the percentage is going to be 32.5%.
Yeah, 32.5%. I think accidentally I just wrote the same number for the percentage here. No, no. So over here, if we were doing for the decay, what would have been our percentage for the above question that we just did?
Uh, It will be 46.6%.
Yeah. So over here, this is giving us a decrease when it is a decay, and this is giving us an increase. That's what we wanted to find out. That's all. So the main thing is this formula. When it is increase, 1 plus r raised to power x. When it is decrease, 1 minus r raised to power x. If it is more than 1, then growth. Less than 1, then it is a decay.
Okay.
Any questions still here?
Nope.
Okay. Let's go then.